off, they don't have espresso, so they only have cold brew. But the cold brew is good and strong. We got their croissant breakfast sandwich, which comes with egg and cheddar cheese. This is a pretty big size. I do wish it was warmed up though, but it's still very good. We also got to try the bread pudding. Looks like it's got some cream on top with like a little jelly filling. Very good. A little dense, but the flavor's there. We got the banana muffin. Again, has like the cream top and all this like crumble around. Looks really good. I don't know if I'm getting a big banana flavor. Maybe a little bit more cinnamon than banana, but it's very good. Not as dense as the banana, as the bread pudding.